This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. Instead of pouring it out, pour it under your plants. They'll reward you with lush growth and beautiful flowers. The key to healthy plants is regular care and proper feeding. Pour about 1 quart of water into a tall container. Then take some coffee grounds, a real treasure trove of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. They strengthen the roots, boost growth, and improve blooming. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to the water. The next ingredient is rice, preferably white and unpolished. It contains magnesium, iron, starch, zinc, and potassium, everything your plants need to thrive and bloom. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Now it's time for eggshells, an excellent source of easily absorbed calcium that strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Crush a few shells in a mortar, break them into small pieces, and add them to the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Prepare a large bottle, pour in the whole mixture, and top it up with another quart of water. Mix again. Make a small hole in the bottle cap. This natural fertilizer works for every type of plant. Use it once a week, and you'll notice stronger roots and more abundant flowering. Your plants will love it. I know exactly what geraniums should eat. Here are 5 fertilizers you should use on your geraniums, and they'll reward you with full, vibrant blooms all season long. To make the first one, grab a larger container. Pour in half a cup of milk and 1 cup of water. Transfer the mixture into a bottle and store it in the fridge. Water your geraniums with this solution up to 3 times a month. It's rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Next up, eggshells. They're packed with calcium and work great as a natural fertilizer. Crush them with your hands or a pestle and mix them into the soil around your plants. They'll help maintain a strong and healthy root system. The third one is a banana peel fertilizer. Chop up a banana peel into small pieces and mix it into the soil near your flowers. Banana peels are high in potassium, which supports flowering and plant growth. For the fourth fertilizer, use yeast. Dissolve about 1½ tablespoons of fresh yeast in 4 cups of warm water and let it sit for an hour. Then simply water your geraniums with it. Yeast contains nutrients that can boost your plant's immunity against diseases and pests. And finally, wood ash. Take 2 tablespoons of ash and mix it into a 4-cup pitcher of water. Stir well and water your plants immediately. You can also sprinkle the ash directly into the soil. It improves soil structure and adds minerals. Wood ash also has antifungal properties and can help protect your plants from fungal diseases. With these simple natural fertilizers, your geraniums will be lush, healthy, and as colorful as Grandma's balcony garden. And trust me, your neighbor will be jealous. Add 1 tablet to water and use it to water your geraniums. Their blooming will become incredibly abundant, with deeper and more intense colors than ever before. This 1 tablet will restore their vitality and health, supporting their rapid growth. Geraniums need the right ingredients to stimulate intense blooming. So, take 1 tablet, break it into smaller pieces, and place it in a bowl. I'll reveal what this ingredient is shortly. Prepare a larger container and add about 10 fluid ounces of water. Drop the crushed powder in, then mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Now, prepare an empty spray bottle, remove the lid, and pour the mixture into the bottle. Close it tightly, Shake well, and you now have a natural spray fertilizer. Simply spray your geraniums with this solution, and after a short time, you'll notice the plants becoming greener, healthier, and full of flowers. They will start producing new buds, and their leaves will become more intense, helping the geraniums regain their natural beauty and bloom like never before. The ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin improves plant health by boosting their resistance to diseases and stress, leading to more intense blooming and a healthier appearance. Thanks to it, the plants become stronger and more resilient to unfavorable conditions. Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is one simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and your plants will be covered with beautiful, full blooms. With this fertilizer, your potted flowers will have large green leaves. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. To start, grab a blender and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the roots and supports their growth. The next ingredient is coffee. It's a source of nitrogen, which promotes leaf growth and improves soil quality. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the blender. Now it's time for rice. Best to use white, unrefined rice. Rice contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help with flowering and plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon. Blend all the ingredients into a fine powder. In this form, the plants will absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively. Transfer the mixture to a smaller container. Add 1 tablespoon to the soil in the pot and gently mix it in. This fertilizer works for all types of plants, both flowering and green ones. Use it every 2 weeks. That's all you need to see amazing results quickly, naturally, effectively, and completely for free, using ingredients you already have at home.